My name is Drew Michaels. I'm the owner of Ohms Electric. We are a licensed, bonded, and insured electrical contracting company. Here at Ohms Electric, we provide residential, commercial, and industrial services such as panel upgrades, EV chargers, lighting, dedicated circuits for equipment, and generator and battery backup services. We stand out with our quality of work, our responsiveness, and communication. We try to strive with the communication portion to keep customers comfortable with their project and what's going on in their residence or their company building. All of our staff are certified to work underneath my contracting license. We have all different experience levels from 6 years all the way down to 3 years of experience. Everyone is very friendly. We have all of our staff, which is family or friends from the company, so we're very tight-knit, and there's no strangers here at Ohms Electric. So both myself and our team, we have certifications in EV training, solar training, battery backup training. We also strive to stay educated with all the current codes and applications through both the cities and national codes. So a good reason to choose us is that we won't only perform the job correctly and safely. Our craftsmanship is on point, but I think the big thing that stands out with us is that we are responsive and that we're going to communicate with you throughout the whole entire project. You're always going to know exactly what's going on and why it is going on. So working with us is just going to give you that comfort of getting your project done with efficiency. So if you're looking for any troubleshooting, lighting, outlets or power, generator, panels, low voltage, if it's electrical and you need help with it, we're here for you.